Good morning, grade 9. Today we are going to have learning task 3B, numbers 6 to 10 on page 18. Number 6. So 16m to the 9th m cubed divided by 2 to the 6th raised to the 1/3. Unahin muna natin ang numerical coefficients of 16 and 2 to the 6. I-lowest term muna natin silang dalawa bago natin i-raise to the 1/3. So, siya, 16 pa rin siya. And then, what is 2 to the 6? 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32, times 2 is 64. So, yung 2 to the 6 ay 64. M to the 9 pa rin. N cubed. Tapos 1/3. Ayun. Lowest term natin. Or divide natin. 64 divided by 16. 4. Anong nasa taas? 1. Huwag na natin ilagay kasi meron pa tayong m to the 9th n cubed and then raise to the 1/3 pa rin sila. Ganun pa rin. Okay, mag-distribute na tayo. Ibig sabihin, 9 times 1/3, 3 times 1/3, 1 times 1/3. Di-distribute na natin. M, 9 times 1/3, di yun is 9/3. Ano naman yung N? N. 3 times 1/3 is 3/3. Yung number, huwag rin yung kalilimutan. 1 times 1/3 is 1/3. Okay, equals. M. 9 divided by 3 is 3. M cubed. Ito, 3 divided by 3, 1. Huwag ninyo isulat yung 1 doon. At ito is cube root of 4. Cube root of 4. O pwedeng ganito na rin answer ninyo, kaya lang samantingnan. So, yung second, yung next topic ninyo is rationalizing the denominator. Ibig sabihin nun, pag nag-simplify tayo, walang makikitang square root, cube root, fourth root, o kung anumang root sa denominator. Gagawin natin silang integers. So, paano gagawin dito? So, ito, ita-times natin ng 1. Pag times natin ito ng 1, ay di ganun pa rin ang value, ito pa rin siya, hindi magbabago. Pero yung 1, hindi talaga 1. Gagawin natin siyang, halimbawa 3. 3, edi 1 din siya. 4, 4, parehas dapat imumultiply mo rito para itong dalawang ito is equal to 1 na hindi magbago ang value. So, paano gagawin natin dito sa cube root ng 4? Para siya ay maging whole number or integer at mawala itong cube root. Okay, ganito, class. Example. Nasa ibaba ha? Halimbawa may 1 dito. Okay, 1. Square root ng 2. Pag ito ay square root, para mawala siya, imumultiply natin siya ng square root of 2. Kung square root of 2 ito, yung itaas ay square root of 2 rin. Pag divide mo yung dalawa, ay di 1. Hindi magbabagong value ng 1 over square root of 2. square root of 2 times square root of 2 is square root of 4, and square root of 4, pag tinimes natin ito, of course, itaas ay square root of 2. 1 times square root of 2. Sa ibaba, square root of 2, square root of 2 is square root of 4, which is square root of 4 is 2. Kita niyo na. Yan ibig sabihin ng rationalizing the denominator. Wala nang square root sa ibaba, nasa itaas na. Ang mahalaga, walang square root sa ibaba. At yun ang magiging next topic ninyo. Next week, o the week after next week. Ito. Okay. Madali pag square root. Kung ito'y 2x, edi times mo rin 2x. Kung 3x, 3x. Pag cube root, iba. Cube root of 2. So, wala. Para mawala ito, times na ng cube root of 2. Hindi pa rin. Kasi cube root of 2 times cube root of 2 is cube root of 4. Oh, eksakto ba ang cube root ng 4? Hindi. So, ita-times pa rin ito natin ng 3. 2, 2, 2. Tatlo siya. Cube siya. So, ang answer natin dito is 2 na lang. Wala nang cube root. Because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2, 8. Cube root of 8 is 2. Okay? Yun ang huwag niyong kalilimutan na principle. So, dito, itong 4, ano ang gawin natin para ma-cube root natin? Wala namang cube root ng 4. So, yung cube root ng 4, ita-times natin ng cube root of 2. Okay? Cube root pa rin, hindi square root of 2. Huwag nyo yung cube root of 4 ito. 4 times 4 magiging cube root of 16. Ano bang cube root of 16? Hindi eksakto. So, kung ito ay 2, pareho naman silang cube root, may multiply natin yung 4 times 2. So, magiging cube root of 8. Eh, ano bang cube root of 8? I did 2. Because 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8. So, i-multiply mo lang siya ng cube root of 2, wag 4. Ay, kung gusto mo namang 4 ang sagot, dito, edi cube root ng 4 times cube root ng 4 times cube root ng 4, edi ilagay mo yung cube root of 16 times 4. Ang answer mo ay 4 na lang. Wala nang cube root. Multiply din natin yung itaas ng cube root of 2. Para 1 siya. Okay? O, mag-multiply na tayo. Pag multiply natin, ito, magiging cube root of 8, and cube root of 8 is 2. O, ayan. Tapos, multiply natin ito. Hindi maaari mag-multiply yung m cube n to the loob ng cube root of 2. So, unahin natin yung numerical coefficient na ito. So, we have cube root of 2, tapos kopya ito. M cube n. And this is our answer. O huwag niyong sasakupin ito yung m cube n. Siya hiwala sa cube root o sa radical sign. Okay? Hanggang dito lang ito. Kung ilalagay doon. Kundi mali. Number 7. X to the 16th, y to the 8th, raised to the 3/8. Okay? No problem here. Distribute na tayo. 16 times 3/8 and 8 times 3/8. So, we have x 16 times 3 is 48. So, ito ay 48 over 8. And then y is 8 times 3 is 24 over 8. O, yan. Naka-distribute na. And then, we simplify. X 48 divided by 8 is 6, and then y 24 divided by 8 is 3. Okay, number 8, we have 2a squared to the 1/2, and we have again 2a squared to the 1/3. So, ano napapansin nyo, class? Parehas ng base. 2a squared, 2a squared, and this one is times. So, ano gawin natin sa exponent? Kung parehas sila ng base at multiplication, we add the exponents. So, i-add natin yung 1/2 at saka yung 1/3. So, mag-itsura niya. Add muna natin dito. 1/2 plus 1/3. Addition of fractions. So, LCD, magkaiba kasi 2 and 3. So, LCD is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 1 is 3 plus 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 1 is 2. And then we add 0, 5, 6. Or 3. 3 plus 2 over 2 times 3 is 6. Yun na shortcut doon. So, ito is 2a squared. And then, your exponent nila is 5 over 6. Okay, mag-distribute na tayo. Ito ay may 1 na 2 to the first. So, we have 2. 1 times 5 over 6 is 5 over 6 o 2. So, ito ay a 2 times 5 is 10 over 6. Then, magkatapos niya, 6th root ito to the 5th. Okay, 10 to the 6th. So, makikita natin dito, class, ito ang 6, ito ang 6. Gawin nating radical form. So, kung sa radical form, pareho silang 6th root. Denominator 6, 6. So, 6th root sila. Itong 2 raised to the 5th. Exponent yung 5 kasi yung numerator dito. Doon sa a, raised to the 10th. Okay? Pareho silang 6th root. So, wag na nyo i-lowest term ito. Parehas na lang para nandun sila sa isang 6th root sa loob. O, ito. Doon pa rin. 6th root pa rin. Ano yung 2 to the 5th? 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2 is 32. So, ito ay 32. And then a to the 10th. Dito sa a to the 10th, may makukuha tayo. Alisin natin yung a to the 6th. Yung a to the 6th to the 6th to the 1/6 ay 1. Magiging a na lang yung a to the 6th. May matitirang a to the 4th. So, ito hatiin natin. Parang ganito. Is equal to, right, 6th root. Copy ang 32. Tapos, ito'y hatiin natin. Yung isa ay to the 6th at yung isa ay to the 4th. Bakit hinati natin? Kasi itong a to the 6, ang 6th root niya ay a lang. A to the 4th kulang. Ang 32, kulang din. So, hindi natin maaaring kunin ng 6th root nito. Kung ito 128, pwede. Gawin natin 64 yung isa, ito yung matira doon. So, kulang siya, 5 lang siya. Kung naging 6, eksakto. Kung naging 7, pwedeng kunin yung 6. Okay? Dito, kunin natin yung 6. 6th root dito is a. O, a na lang. Yun ha. Ito, ganun pa rin. 6th root pa rin. 32 kulang para maging 6th root. At ang natira dito is a to the 4th. Number 9, we have x to the 10th raised to the 1/5 plus x to the 4th raised to the 1/2. So, this one is addition. Dito, distribute na natin 10 times 1/5. So, ito ay 10 over 5 is x squared. plus x again. 4 times 1 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. So, anong gagawin natin dito? They are like terms. So, we add the 1 here and the 1 here. So, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Kopya. Huwag ninyong i-add yung exponent. Ito ay addition. Like terms sila. We add the numerical coefficients, but we just copy the literal part and the exponent also. Parehas. Okay, number 10. Yung 3 may 1. Laging kalilimutan kahit number siya. So, you have 3. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 squared. And then yung Q, diretso na natin. 2 times 5, 10. Divided by 2 is 5. So, yung Q natin is to the 5th. R. 2 times 1 is 2. Divided by 4 is 2 over 4. Lowest term of 2 over 4 is 1/2. So, ito ay raised to the 1/2. Alright, 6. 1/2 times 2 or 2 times 1 is 2. Divided by 2 is 1. Ayun, indivisible 1. Okay. Equals 3 times 3 is 9. Q to the 5th and then R 1/2 over 6. And then here 9 and 6 lowest term natin. I-divide ng 3, divide ng 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. O, 2 na lang dito. Sa gitna natin lagay na. Q to the 5th. O, the Q to the 5th. Ayun. Ano yung R in 1/2? So, siya ay square root sa radical form. Square root of R. O. So, that is our answer. 3Q to the 5th square root of R over